Hello my Jovians! Every time I say that, why do you have to look there? I've been wanting to film this video in the morning. The time is about 5 p.m. right now and I'm just enjoying a cup of turmeric tea. Did you even know that that's a thing? I know, right? When I was like, what? No kidding guys, look at it. It's yellow. Oh. And I dripped some on my pants. I woke up in the morning thinking I'm gonna do a makeup video today, and for YouTube this time, because I've been doing a lot of makeup videos for Instagram, right? I'm like all prepped up and motivated. I go through some makeup Instagram pages and I'm so motivated, and bam, what do you know, I've got a really bad migraine. So now it's 5 p.m. the migraine has kind of come down, and so I took all of my makeup and here we are. So today we're gonna create a nice bam party makeup using only products available in India. And what do you know, I'm even using the new Huda Beauty Obsessions Tiny Baby Palettes because it is just launching in India, in Nykaa. Nope, I'm not sponsored to do this video. Huda Beauty or Nykaa doesn't even know I'm making this video. I get a lot of messages that I waste way too much time rambling. Guys, now welcome to my channel. That's what I do. If you're new, take a second to click that subscribe button, and if you like videos like this, guys, where I start with my bare naked face, don't forget to click that thumbs up button. Now let's get started. Surprisingly tastes good as well. So for today's makeup look, I am so inspired by this Instagram makeup artist called Makeup by Tita, and I feel like it's perfect for us Indians because our clothes are also like rich and pigmented, like in orange and yellow and all of that. Let's just apply a little bit of concealer and set it with powder to prep our eyelid, but we're gonna skip that because boring. I also did my brows and I used the Sugar eyebrow pencil in the color Jerry Brown. Now let me put my phone on silent because it goes cuckoo on me. From the Warm Brown Obsessions palette, I'm gonna first take this beautiful highlight color and highlight my brow bone and my inner corners. Now I'm gonna take this beautiful transition shade and apply it on my crease. From the Electric Obsession palette, I'm gonna take this orange shade and pop it into the crease as well. And there we have our crease work done. Now I'm gonna take a flat concealer brush and dip it into a concealer and carve out our crease. For the longest time, I thought this was such an unnecessary extra step, but then I tried it once and the result I received, it was so incredible. I was like, whoa, I shouldn't have judged all of those Instagram makeup artists. This really worked. I'm gonna set this with this yellow banana powder, also from the Makeup Revolution Iconic Light and Contour palette, and this will just make sure that our eyeshadow is not patchy and it's more even. Okay, back to eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush, dip it into this neon electric yellow eyeshadow and apply it to the inner corner of my eyes. I've never used this palette before, so let us see how the pigmentation is. And then I'm gonna pick up this orange once again and pop this on to the center of my eye. Now, if you'd like to recreate this look and you don't have the Huda Beauty palette, do not worry. This lady right here did not use the Huda Beauty palette. You can use whatever you want. And if you recreate this, please don't forget to show me on Instagram by tagging the FFJovi hashtag. I'm really packing this on because this is not as rich as I'd like. It's more electric pastel-y, so I'm really going over it multiple times. Now this artist has finished off the eye look with a deep plum color at the outer corner, which is not present in this one. This is more of a shimmery purple color, so I'm gonna pick up the lavender tone color from the Desert Dusk palette and see where we reach. Maybe we'll play with multiple colors to get the kind of result that we are looking for. Let's see. With a clean blending brush, now I'm gonna slowly blend these colors into each other. These colors really are not like the ones we took inspiration from, but hey, I'm sure we'll have a good look at the end of it. But I'm just like, damn, it's not similar to what we were going for. Why not add a little bit of this blue to the end to just mix it up? Ooh, I like the way that mixed up with the purple. Ooh, girl, okay. And because I like that mixed masala cocktail, I'm taking a little bit of this red right now and I'm gonna pop it on top of the orange to deepen up that pigment. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. That really nicely did the trick And I am so happy that we are rescuing this look. Wow, look at the way this eye turned out. I don't know why this eye is not turning out the same. Sometimes they just don't look alike and we just have to roll with it. Apply eyeliner, shall we? Using the eyeliner pencil from Sugar, and it's called I'll Be Black. I'm gonna go in for a nice winged eyeliner. I'm gonna add a bronze line right on the crease, and for that I'm using the Lakme Shine Line in Shimmery Bronze. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because this can break the look. So let me keep my mouth shut and go really slowly, okay? Onto the crease. Man, that was not bad. It was easier than I thought. And that looks beautiful. Wow, that's like a pop of like something. I'm kind of living for this. I'm really loving this. I did not think that this would turn out this beautiful. It's so subtle, but so beautiful. Now, just for fun, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter liner right on top of this. Now, if you don't want to do it, if you cannot find glitter liner, you don't have to. Or you can mix up your own glitter the way I did in my Why I Hate Bollywood video. So I'm just using the Urban Decay glitter liner because, guys, I couldn't find an Indian one. But again, if you find one in India, hey, awesome. The glitter took it from subtle glam to a glam of another level. I shall also apply my mascara and false lashes, and I'll be back by the time the glitter dries. And today I'll be using the Huda Beauty Jade lashes and the Faces Ultim mascara with argan oil. Eyes are done. Let's move on to the face. I am so lazy to really move on to the face makeup. I have half a heart to stop this video right here, but I'm not a quitter. So I'm gonna take my PAC foundation and my beauty blender in the cute little cat stand that I showed in my recent, what's that thing called? Haul. With the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cover and Conceal Medium Dark Palette, I am going to conceal the under eye-ness of my face, and for that, let's mix these two colors right here. Wow. I'm gonna set all of this using the Makeup Revolution Contour and Highlight Palette, and for my under eye, I'm gonna use the banana powder right here. Always brightening and the best option, really. Pack it in there. I'm applying the banana powder right to the center of my face. Now, if you've been watching my makeup tutorials, you know I do this a lot because it just sets and brightens up your face in a very natural, glowy way with this Fashion Fair dual-ended brush. And now I'm gonna dust it all off. With one of these darker shades, let's go for a mix of these two. I'm gonna set the rest of my face, just to take away the excess shine, because the PAC foundation does leave a shine on the face. It's more of a dewy finish. Okay, we're getting somewhere. For blush and highlight, I'm gonna use this Color Bar Feel the Rain Duo Affair blusher. I don't think they have many different shades in this, probably just 2 shades, and I have the darker shade because India still thinks that we are full of Caucasian people, so they only make shades for lighter skinned people that even like regular Indians can't use. I don't know why. So anyways, I'm just using this like a blush contour duo right on the apple of my face to give me a little bit of color. And with the other side of my angled brush, I'm gonna pick up that rose gold shade and pop it to my, ooh girl, look at that. To finish off the eye, I'm gonna go back to that Electric Obsession palette, and our reference had yellow under her eyes. For me, I believe like a pink orange would suit better with this eye look, and pop it to my lower lash line. Oh, that looks really good. I'm gonna clean off that brush. We forgot about the inner corner highlight. I'm gonna go back, pop it to my inner corner. I'm gonna quickly pop on this black kohl pencil from Plum into my waterline as well. And as for the lips, I've got 2 options right here. One is the Red Faces crayon that I showed in my recent haul, and another one is this deep brown NYX it's a Full Throttle lipstick in 01. Should we try adding a little bit of red in the center to mix it up? If you recreate this, please let me know. Use the hashtag FFJoey on Instagram, Twitter, wherever you want to, so I can see it. And let me know where you're gonna wear this as well. I would probably wear it to like an Indian wedding. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, don't forget that thumbs up. That really means a lot to me, especially since I'm filming in front of a giant window and my neighbors can see me film myself. I'm sure they're not progressive enough to understand why somebody would film themselves applying makeup, but hey ho, what? My turmeric tea tastes disgusting right now. It should have been hot when I drank it. I shall sign up right here. I love you so much. Mwah! Tight huggies to you, and all the videos right down below.